Today's the day I'm off to pull the Flockton Flyer. Mr. Ehrenfeld told me specifically. Ugh, spare us your strutting, Harrison. You've only been going on about it all week. Well, of course. It is the premier train on the railway after all. Besides, it is a train specifically designed for an engine like myself. Modern, versatile, and painted up like a wedding cake. I don't see what's so special about you taking the Flyer, Harry. Everyone on this railway pulls trains, express or not. Why, I bet I could pull the Flyer better than you. Pull the Flockton Flyer. Alice, you're a goods engine, or goods trains. You aren't fit to pull coaches, not with the way you go up the line galloping along banging the trucks about. At least I can get on with the job without fitters fussing over my appearance. Regardless, be sure to look out for me as I pass through with the Flyer. That will be a splendid sight for all of you. Now, if you excuse me, I've got an important train to pull.